Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on spatial sound on your Windows 11 speakers. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and left click on that. So on the right side, you want to go and select sound. Go ahead and left click on that. And now you want to scroll down underneath Advanced and select All Sound Devices. For your output device, go ahead and select your speaker output device listed in here, and then scroll down, and then underneath Spatial Sound, choose an immersive audio experience that simulates a realistic environment, 3D spatial sound. Click in the drop down here, and you can go ahead and just toggle that to the on position or whatever options available, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process there, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.